You are watching Macro TV, and this is the concluding video to study Unit 3, Chapter 6 in Fourie and Berger. We've talked about the ADAS model, and we've explained that by having the ADAS model, we've built upon the Keynesian macro framework. It began with all the components of aggregate spending and the 45-degree diagram, to which we added the monetary sector, and we summarized this in the ISLM model. We opened it up to the open economy with an ISLM BP model, but then realized we can't yet talk about prices and about the supply side of the economy, and we developed the ADAS model. In this framework, we looked at different shocks to the demand side and to the supply side of the economy. And at the end of this, we can confidently talk about all the big moving parts of the economy, how it can be influenced by current events, and how policymakers can react. And we've got all the instruments to describe these changes and model them with our graphs. Figure 630 just shows you these basic building blocks from the monetary sector through to the real sector, and that the ADAS is a summary model pulling together all these components of the real and the monetary sector in the AD curve, modeling the supply side of the economy in the short and the long run AS curves, and giving us a way to move from a model where we considered spending and income or interest rates and income to one where we can also talk about price level and the level of income, incorporating the supply side of the economy. Now, this concludes the ADAS model, but in the next chapter, we're going to say what happens when price levels increase all the time. In other words, when there is inflation, and we will introduce the Phillips curve. Best of luck and stay tuned.